Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sheila from Sheila Shares, and in this channel we talk about makeup, fashion, business, lifestyle, and real estate. And in today's video, we are going to be doing a French makeup look. Kaya bareface po ako. Pasensya nyo na. Yan. So first things first, I've already done my skincare. If you saw my previous video, I'll put the link in the description box. I showed my entire skincare routine there, so we actually saw a video in YouTube of a girl doing a French makeup look, and I loved it because it's very straightforward and very simple. So I thought about just recreating that look. Okay, so let's start. First is, she said to apply a BB cream. I don't have BB cream, so I'm going to use a CC cream instead. I use Avon 5-in-1 CC cream. I'm looking at the monitor. I'm using my monitor as my mirror. Sorry. To apply minimal coverage, because the French style is all about glowing from within. I think I really need a mirror. My face. Then Maybelline. This is in sand. The brows. She said to just fill the areas na sparse. So I'm going to do that. Scratch that. We won't use this. Let us. Instead, we are going to be using this Smashbox Shape Matters na palette. I'm using an angled brush pala. And I'm just filling in the areas na walang buhok. And guys, please don't use black powder. Doesn't look nice at all. Okay, so after that, let's go to the eyes. Add a little concealer. base. That way, even yung kulay ng eyeshadow. There. Okay, so with a fluffy brush, the goal is to create a very neutral eyes. So we're going to be using browns and beiges. So first, I'm going to stick to my Smashbox na palette. So first color is this one in the dyan sa parang crease. Shucks, dami. Oh. Bakit ang brown nito? Did I use this? Wiper motion. If all else fails, use your finger. Side. Basically, what we'll do is to add more dimension to your eyes so that it doesn't look flat. Just Janice and Scene, if you're watching this, I'm pretty sure you guys are laughing at me right now. Sige, pagtawanan niyo pa ako. Pag nakita ko kayo, kukurutin ko kayo. Changing brush to a more fluffier one. It's easier to blend if you use a fluffy brush. Start on kasi dito. The thing about my eyes is that mas deeper yung ano dito sa other eye ko. Kaya I tend to be heavy on this eye. This. Next color is we used this earlier. We'll be using this. Changing to a flatter brush. And we are going to apply this on the eyelid lang. Get another brush na fluffy, smaller one, and just tap it there. Tap the color. Yeah. And let's just create more dimension by adding a little shimmer. I'm using this dented one. Here pala. Adding it at the center to create dimension and focus. Flat brush to pala. Let's put that same shimmer, the corn. brush. Let's get a darker brown one or a deep brown one. And then we are going to just taking it. Just want it to. I wanted to connect lang my eyes, so it's more rounded. Yeah. And then from there, she said to curl your lashes and then apply mascara, but I already have firm eyelashes, so I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara. I'm using the Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara by Maybelline. After that, blush on. So she said to just make it look natural. Very minimal. There, and lastly, parang nag-blush na. Parang tanga. We're going to put the Lucas Papaw just to keep our lips moisturized. Shout out to Miss Branda for giving me this. Okay, for lipstick, she said to use a bold color. And I'm using this shade though. Statement lipstick from Avon. And lastly, let's just put not even going to use powder now. Spray ano na lang. Fix setting spray. Setting spray. That's it. So, madali lang. Diba? So, thank you guys for watching. Bye!